Hi, Tim here, and welcome to KMC Controls, your source for building automation solutions. In today's video, we will be discussing one of the latest updates to KMC Commander, the Canvas. We'll go over what the Canvas is and how you could create one for your project. The Canvas is a creative space where you could arrange points with customizable colors on a background image. This exciting new feature allows you to display live point values on equipment graphics, floor plans, and more for better visualization of your systems. So, how do you create a canvas? Let's walk through the process step by step. First, starting on the dashboard you want to add the canvas to, select Add Instance. Then choose Canvas to open the staging area. Next, upload a background image of your choice. Make sure your image file is less than 5 megabytes and in a suitable file format such as PNG or JPEG. Additionally, you want to ensure ahead of time that your image is properly sized for the screen you'll primarily be viewing your project on. After uploading the image, it's time to adjust the padding around your background image. Simply select the padding icon and adjust the pixel values to your preference. The light blue shading helps you judge the appropriate space needed, depending on where you'd like to add your points. You can always adjust this as you go. Once the padding is set, you can add points and arrange them on or around the image. Click Add Point and choose the desired point from the device list and point selector. Then drag the point slot to the desired location on the canvas. With your point in place, it's time to style them. You could resize and customize the colors and opacity of the point slots to fit your design preferences. There are 3 size options to choose from and millions of colors, so design to your heart's content. Lastly, don't forget to name your canvas by clicking the default name and entering the new name in the edit window. Once named, save the canvas to your dashboard by clicking Save, and your canvas is now part of your project visualization in that dashboard. And that's how you create a canvas in KMC Commander. This powerful feature offers an intuitive way to visualize and control your system and unending flexibility to fit any project you have. Equipment, floor plans, landscapes, images, or custom layouts, you are only limited by your creativity. Since 2014, KMC Controls has partnered with Intel to bring our industry the latest technology around cloud-connected smart buildings and cybersecurity. Intel is a clear leader in the space, and we are going to continue to build our products and services around their best-in-class technology. For more information about KMC Commander, please check out our other videos in this series. And to learn more about any of the solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.